Hello everyone, welcome to SkillupEd. Today we're going to learn what is Scrum as a part of our complete Scrum beginner series. Let's get started. Let's start with what is Scrum? Scrum is one of the most popular frameworks used by modern companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft to build products faster and more efficiently. But many people misunderstand Scrum. Some think it's just daily stand-up meetings, while others believe it's only for software teams. In this video, we will cover what Scrum is, why it was created, how the Scrum framework works. Before understanding Scrum, we must first understand the problem it solves. Have you ever wondered why traditional projects fail much? In traditional project management methods like waterfall, projects were planned months in advance. Teams would design everything up front and then start building the product. But the problem is, requirements change frequently. Customers want new features, markets evolve, and teams discover new challenges during development. Because of this, many traditional projects ended up delivering products late or delivering something the customer no longer needed. To solve these problems, Agile methodologies were introduced. Agile focuses on building products in small iterations instead of delivering everything at the end of the project. This allows teams to get faster feedback, adapt to changing requirements, and continuously improve the product. Now, let's come back to what is Scrum? Scrum is one of the most widely used frameworks within Agile. Scrum is a lightweight Agile framework used to develop complex products through iterative work cycles called sprints. Instead of planning the entire project up front, Scrum teams work in small increments and deliver usable product features frequently. This allows teams to learn quickly, improve continuously, and adapt to customer needs. Now, let's talk about why Scrum is popular. Scrum has become extremely popular because it improves collaboration and transparency inside teams. It enables organizations to deliver features faster, adapt to change easily, and continuously improve the way teams work. Scrum is based on three fundamental pillars. The first pillar is transparency, which means everyone clearly understands what is happening in the project. The second pillar is inspection, which means regularly reviewing progress and identifying problems. The third pillar is adaptation, which means adjusting the process or product whenever improvements are needed. Now, let's talk about Scrum framework. The Scrum framework follows a repeating cycle called a sprint. The team starts with sprint planning, where they decide what work will be done. During the sprint, the team works on building product features. Every day, they meet briefly in a daily scrum to stay aligned. At the end of the sprint, they demonstrate the product in the sprint review and then reflect on improvements during the sprint retrospective. And this process continues till the product is delivered. Till now, we have learned what is Scrum. In our next video, we will learn about Scrum Team, Scrum Events Overview, Sprint, Sprint Planning, Daily Scrum, Sprint Review, Sprint Retrospective. Subscribe to SkillupEd for upcoming videos. Thank you.